Hello children, welcome to the math class. Let's continue our chapter 3, prime factorization. Prime factorization is a process by which a composite number is rewritten as the product of its prime factors. For example, one number, find out the prime factorization of 30. Okay, we start with the smallest prime numbers or factors of the number. We keep factorizing till we get all the prime factors of the number. We know 30 equal to how much, children? To multiply 15. But 15 equal to how much? 3 multiply 5. So we arrange like this. 30 equal to, children, 2 multiply 15 and 15 equal to 3 multiply 5. So 30 equal to 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. 2, 3 and 5 are prime factors of 30. Then comes to example 2. Find out the prime factorization of 56. Like this, we arrange. 56 means 2 multiply 28. Again 28 means 2 multiply 14. Again 14 means, children, 2 multiply 7. So like this we arrange the prime factors. So this process is known as prime factorization. Then prime factorization of a bigger number using the short division method. One number, you see, express 256 in prime factorization. So we divide this 256 starting from the smallest prime number, which can be divide it. Repeat the process till the quotient is no more divisible by the prime number. So 256, we can divide it by 2. So we divide first 2, then we get 128, again it divided by 2, then 64. Like this we continue the process till we get 1. Okay. So these are the prime factors of 256. Two number also, you see, express 540 in prime factorization. Okay. Then comes to highest common factor, which is known as HCF. Okay. The highest common factor of two natural numbers is the largest common factor or divisor of the given natural numbers. In other words, the HCF is the greatest number of the set of the common factors of the given number. For example, children, you see factors of 45 and factors of 63, you see. You first find out all the factors of given numbers. Okay. Then which are common you find out. 1, 3 and 9. And you mark which is the highest common factor. Okay. That is 9. So here HCF of 45 and 63 is 9. Then HCF by the prime factorization method. Let us consider two numbers, that is 72 and 48. To find the prime factorization, we have to follow these steps. Step 1. Find the prime factorization of both the numbers. So first we find out all the factors of given numbers. Then prime factors. We find out which are prime. Okay. Then second step is find the common prime factors of the given number. Okay, we find out which are common. You see these 2, 2 and 2, triple 2 and 3. These are common factors. Then step 3. Multiply all the common factors to find out SCF. So now what we do? Now we multiply all the common factors. So we get 24. The HCF of 2 or more numbers is the greatest common factor of all the given numbers. Okay. Then comes to HCF by the long division method. This is, we discuss about what? Prime factorization method. Then you see long division method. Step by step we follow. First step is divide the greater number by the smaller number. Step 2. Take the remainder as the divisor and the divisor is the dividend. Here you see, we divide first greater number by the smaller number. Then you see, this is the quotient. Again we divide. Then this one is what? This one is divisor of the second division. Then step 3. Continue the process till you get 0 as the remainder. Then step 4. The last divisor will be the required HCF of the given numbers. Children, you remember the last divisor. The last divisor is, children, 18. So the HCF of 198 and 360 is 18. Okay. Example 6, you see, find the greatest number which exactly divides the numbers 280 and 1245, leaving remainders 4 and 3 respectively. So what we do? See the solution? Subtracting the remainders we get. Here children, written leaving remainders 4 and 3 respectively. Respectively means you subtract 4 from first number, that is 280 minus 4, and subtract 3, the second number, from second number, 1245 minus 3. Then we get 276 and 1242. Now what we do? Now we find out the HCF. Okay. So the HCF of these two numbers is how much? The divisor of the division. So 138 is the HCF. So the required number is 138. Okay. Then comes to exercise 3.3. See one number. Write the prime factorization of the following numbers. Like this, children, you write, you find out the prime factors of the given numbers. Already one A bit I have done. You complete other bits. Two number, you see, which of the following are prime factorization? Here you see, children, A bit 15 is not a prime number, so it will be wrong. B is correct. Here you see C bit 4 is given. 4 is not a prime number, so it will wrong. D is correct because all are prime numbers. Then 3 bit, you see, find the common factors of the following numbers and then find their HCF. So first of all, you find all the factors, then you find out which are common and which is the highest common factor you find out. Okay, 4 number, you see, find the HCF of the following using prime factorization method. You follow the examples of prime factorization method. Okay, then you do 4 number, 5 number, no need to do. 6 number, you see, find the HCF using the long division method. Now we discussed the long division method. You follow that method and complete 6 number. Then Then 7 to 10 number, children, you just follow this example. Okay, example 6 you follow and do. So this is about your SCF. You read properly and follow all the examples. Then do exercise 3.3 in your copy. Okay children, thank you.